Hello, my name is Filip Skórnicki and I'm the DevSkillers IT Project Manager. And today I will be your guide through this presentation, TalentBoost Introduction. So let's first break down some key terminology. So TalentBoost is used to structure and manage competence catalogs. And hence we've got our skills inventory, which is divided into 4 levels. First is a skill, a single competence and single ability. For example, TIG welding method. Now, a collection of competences or collection of skills would be a skill group, in this case, welding. Now, when we take all the skill groups related thematically, we get a sub-area, which in this case would be metal processing. And then a collection of sub-areas within a similar field or domain would be a single area, mechanics. Now, in order to illustrate this idea and this breakdown a bit better, let's take the world map as an example. So a single skill would be city, the smallest unit, city, and this city is located within one district, state, or voivodeship. Now, this district or state is located within a single country, and that country is located within a single continent. And this is basically how it works here. We've got a city, a district, a country, and a continent. So now, a continent, an area, in this case would be, for example, infrastructure or soft skills. Now, when we go deeper into infrastructure, we get sub-areas such as system administration or databases. Now let's zoom in to databases, and then we've got a collection of skill groups, relational databases, document, time series databases. And then zooming even further, we get cities or skills, which in this case would be Oracle, MySQL. Now, if we want to get a bit more specific about the definitions, a skill is a competence, is an ability which someone does well and it allows them to achieve a desired result. Now, our definition says that a skill is learned in approximately 1 to 3 days. If you can learn it in a few hours or like half a day, it probably doesn't constitute a full skill yet. However, if it takes you a week to learn it, then it's probably not just a skill. It's probably a full skill group. Now, we take those skills and we divide them into 2 categories. Core skills, which are required from all the people within a domain or a team, and then additional skills, which are just a nice bonus and not everybody has to have them. In an 8-person team, if one person knows it, it's probably enough. Now, a skill set is a collection of competencies. Now you could think to yourself, what is the difference between a skill set and a skill group? Now, skill group combines skills thematically. It combines skills which talk about the same domain or field, while skill sets collect skills which allow you to complete a given task. So for example, a given task might require you to know skills from different sub-areas or different groups. For example, if we talk about some analysis of a problem, you might need SQL skills and maybe some log understanding skills, but also some soft skills to communicate those problems further down the line. So that would be a skill set. Now, a collection of skill sets, a collection of those task-requiring skills is a job role, and a single skill set could be applied to multiple job roles and positions. Now, a job role is a role with a very specific scope of duties and responsibilities, such as a Java developer. Now, then we can look at seniorities and experience levels. And it's worth remembering that skill sets are inherited upwards, which means that a mid developer has to know what a junior knows, and a senior has to know what mid knows and a junior knows. Now, a function of a job role, such as a Java developer, and a seniority, for example, junior, gives us a full-on position, such as junior Java developer. Now, a full structure of our competence is as follows. A skill set, which is a collection of competencies to complete a task, programming tools. A job role, which is defined as a set of responsibilities and duties, Java developer. Seniority level, which talks about the experience level, junior. And a position, which is a function of all those, junior Java developer. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Philip, DevSkillers IT Project Manager. See you next time. Cheers.